Oh my con. Hello beautiful family, you're highly welcome back to the channel. Yeah, today is Saturday. Thank you so much for always clicking to watch our video, and if you're coming for the very first time, my name is Jour Mimi. Yeah, this Saturday and we are going to do our daily vlog. So I'll be heading to the market on Saturday. I decide to prepare something African delicacies, that's Cameroonian delicacies. Since I have food already in the house and there is a village market closer to my neighborhood, I just have to get there now. I get some little things, then come back home, prepare them. So stay close to your screen as we walk together. Please don't forget to give a thumb up for the video. So I'm already on my way to the market right now. So guys, let's get there together. It's actually a busy day, and there's something I love about my neighborhood. You know, it's very clean. It doesn't pass 3 days without this company coming to clean the dirt that have been deposited by us, the people living at the neighborhood. So I think you already know this place, and let's get to the market together. It's somehow very busy, and we'll get our stuffs.
Bocolo. Comment? André, c'est bon, Bocolo, une place.
Ouais, ça va maman.
C'est bon.
Oui, c'est bon. The market is just so close to the road. Cherchez demain les choses. Ça là c'est combien? 500. Ici aussi.
Prends un petit casse et vois comment c'est dedans.
Tiens, regarde.
Viens alors emballer.
Tu étais où la semaine passée? Non, j'avais cessé jusqu'à fatiguer. Tu n'étais pas là. J'avais cessé jusqu'à demander parce que tout est place. Donc quelqu'un qui part là-bas, non. J'avais demandé. On m'a dit qu'on a perdu. Merci. Le marché donne, non? C'est là comment ça donne, parce que beaucoup les gens achètent les achètent.
Celle-là, ça reste que je vais essayer de sécher.
Oui, c'est bon. L'avocat. Marché de village. C'est combien, maman?
200, 250, 300.
Ouais, 200. Ah, je prends ça. Est-ce que tu es avec moi? Je pense à 200. Je pense à 200. Est-ce qu'il y a la différence? Je n'ai même pas 200, j'ai 500. Faut me donner le bon taille.
Attends qu'elle ne met pas le gros taille, elle va lui sortir.
Eh, c'est mon avocat là-bas. C'est pas ça.
C'est ça?
Non, ce n'est pas ça, c'est juste ça.
Je n'ai rien mis ici. Oh. J'ai mis ça là-bas. Je n'ai rien mis ici. Ah, si, le tablette.
Deux. Ok. Hein?
Encore comment?
Non, ça va, ma.
Même pas les oranges.
Hein?
Même pas les oranges.
Non, les oranges là, quand tu achètes souvent, c'est.
Ça a le jus.
C'est gâté.
Ça a le jus. Ce n'est pas gâté.
C'est gâté. Parce que.
And of course, this was the last spot where I bought oranges, and I just decided to get back home. Please follow me as we get back home. We are going to be having some time today together. Thank you so much for always clicking. Please don't forget to give a thumb up for the video. As I buy here, I am going to be heading back home. So guys, I already boarded a bike and I am on my way home. It's just few kilometers away from my house. It's not actually far. So let's get home together. So guys, as I arrive home, I just decided to unveil whatsoever I bought so that I start preparing my meal for the day before time cut me short, because I actually had a lot of things to do. So I bought avocado, I bought potatoes, I bought oranges, I bought okra, and I also bought cassava. And these are the things that actually took me to the market. If there were other things in the back, it means it was just an additional thing I saw in the market. So that's my cassava. So that's the cassava I'll be preparing in our local way. I'll just boil it. Then I also boil my peanuts. Then accompany with the oranges and the avocado. Everything will be awesome. Oh my god, there's no sun today. I don't know how I'm going to keep this my corn dry. Oh my gosh. Miss. So guys, if you've been watching my video, you will notice that I always love to buy peanut on Saturday. So this is actually peanut on the fire and I'm boiling it. I've already boiled the cassava already, and here are the leftover, and I have to preserve it in the freezer so that next time when I want to cook, I will not have to go to the market again to get take it from the freezer and prepare. And there's one thing I always buy every Saturday, because my fridge is very small. At this moment I had already boiled, everything was set, and I just started eating. I did not know which one to start eating first, whether fruit come after meal or fruit before meal, but I was just eating everything because my head aching because of so many things. I had a lot to do. Remember, today is Saturday, I had a lot to do, and in my mind I was like, I have to do everything today. I'm not going to fast forward any other duties of today. So that's how I was eating. I ate like I really enjoyed the meal. This is a rare African delicacy, breakfast. Oh my gosh, do you eat this in your country? Or if you're a Cameroonian, do you love eating this? Because this is a special meal for me. We grew up taking this as breakfast. So this corn starch that I suppose we call it pap here. I'm supposed to wash it before I get to another part of my work for the day. For the work schedule for the day, I have to wash it, and it is somehow taking much time. Before I could finish, I somehow received a call to deliver a product in town, and that is how I just left you. As I got immediately to the roadside, I just bought a bike and I started going very fast. I told the bike man to be very fast because I supposed to deliver this product last week, but I failed to do so. So today I was just so excited that the client called me and I had to go, and that is how I was going peacefully, and I was like, oh my god, this product delivery today actually made the video short. See you soon.